How to install the Reolink Solar Panel. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to install the Reolink Solar Panel correctly in only 3 minutes. Stay with us and check it out. Before you start, you need to choose a proper location where the solar panel can receive sufficient sunlight throughout the year. The more sunlight it receives, the more energy it will produce. Note: the amount of energy that the solar panel can produce is also affected by seasonal changes, weather conditions, etc. Moving to the mounting steps. First, put the mounting hole template on the wall, and then drill holes as shown and screw the bracket to the wall. Screw the panel to the bracket and make sure it's secure. Next, loosen the adjustment knob and adjust the panel to the direction that it can receive the most amount of direct sunlight, and then tighten the knob. Lastly, connect the solar panel to the camera with the micro USB cable. To make sure the solar panel produces as much energy as possible, here are some tips for you. Make sure the solar panel is not blocked by buildings, trees, or other objects that may cast shadow on it. Don't install the solar panel horizontally to avoid the accumulation of dust and debris. Wipe the solar panel regularly to keep it clean and not obscured by dust or dirt. For more helpful videos, please subscribe to our channel.